Namaste, Varsha this side. And today we are going to talk about one of the most important glands and chakras, which is the third eye chakra. Okay, so it is between both your eyebrows and it is actually inside of our pineal gland. So we will be talking about how to detox, how to activate, how to cleanse, clear, and this chakra or this gland so that this is for people who are actually into psychic work, healers, readers, maybe people who are into witchcraft or any other form of healing, psychic abilities, to enhance your psychic abilities. We are going to talk about, all the relevant information related to the pineal gland and the third eye chakra. Now, the pineal gland or third eye is the most heavily targeted and poisoned gland in the human body. Yes, mainly due to its spiritual influence it has on the human awareness. A closed pineal gland means the mind can be easily deceived as it struggles to look beyond what is presented in front of you. An open pineal acts like a truth detector by being able to pick up on the subtle inconsistencies of lies or subliminal messages that may be used as a veil to conceal true intentions. Now, the name pineal, because as you can see, the gland is in the shape of the pineapple, so pineal. Okay, now moving on to yet another, I would say, set of information. The pineal gland is known as the master gland, the gland that governs over our third eye and the center of psychic awareness in the human mind. It's smaller than a bean and is located inside a cave behind the pituitary gland. It produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates daily body rhythms directly with the day and night cycles. So, you see how important it is? It physically affects every system in our body and it has the potential to determine the expansion or contraction of your psychic awareness, consciousness, and experience with the divine. Now, how do you nourish it? Nourish it with sunlight. Sunlight should be enjoyed for at least 30 minutes a day. To fully engage the pineal gland, it should be taken in through the pupils. So, when they say 30 minutes, you don't have to stand under the sun at 12 p.m. or at the peak sunlight hours. No, it should be actually done when the sun has just it's rising or when it is setting, because these are the two times throughout the day which is safer for your eyes. So you have to just gaze into the sun for 30 minutes. Veggies and vitamins. So sun-dried veggies such as seaweed and veggies that contain high amounts of vitamin D, B vitamins and iodine such as kombu, arame, wakame, dulce, norai and others. Now, green colored veggies. This gland absorbs the properties of their green color and distributes them to the appropriate systems of the body. Dark leafy greens like kale, turnip greens, mustard greens, bok choy, and collard greens are very nourishing. Carbonated beverages, fluoridated water, and toothpaste and smog negatively affect the pineal gland and block its ability to function properly. So, this is something which you really need to take care. Now, moving on to the next thing which nourishes, raw foods. Activate it eating by eating more raw foods, a vegan or vegetarian diet, running an ozone machine at home to clean the air and drinking filtered water. Limit meat consumption, please, including fish that has high amounts of mercury. When you eat meat, you are ingesting the animal's DNA, positive and negative experiences included. This interferes with the gland's ability to take on its own psychic awareness and blueprint of the individual. Now, this is the same reason why I advise a lot of people to avoid non-vegetarian food, because you are actually ingesting the DNA which has negative and positive experiences absolutely into it, which goes into your DNA. Now, sleep is important. This gland is activated by the production of serotonin that is produced when the brain is asleep. Eat almonds, bananas, rice, hot peppers, potatoes, and black-eyed peas to increase serotonin production. Now, the next important segment is the detoxification of this gland. Now, pineal gland detox. You can do it with spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, and red and green algae, which are rich in chlorophyll and help to decalcification the pineal gland due to its powerful detoxifying properties and massive nutritional benefits. Iodine. Iodine is necessary for the operation of the critical pineal gland, but also the excess of iodine supplements can cause problems. So this is something which you need to take care. Next is boron for the detox. Boron naturally present in beetroot and can be taken in the form of supplements and may decalcification and remove fluoride from the gland. Fourth is raw apple cider. Raw apple cider vinegar from apples is another natural cleanser that helps decalcification of the pineal gland. Last is with vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is essential to the ability of the body to properly assimilate calcium. K2 removes calcium and calcification of the pineal gland. K2 deficiency is shared in current society and has been associated with a range of health disorders. K2 is the new vitamin D. So we have covered all the important segments. The last and most important thing is we can use some crystals to activate, clear and cleanse our third eye chakra. And there are some crystals which I have noted. Amethyst, purple sapphire, purple violet tourmaline, rhodonite and sodalite. So these are the crystals which you can use for balancing, cleansing, clearing, transmuting the blockages inside of your third eye. And I hope this video helps to actually understand you how you can clear blockages, activate an inactivated third eye, how you can enhance your clairvoyance through your third eye detoxification, and how you can use these abilities, these psychic abilities. There are a lot of psychic abilities. There's a separate video and a lot of you have already seen it. Like I've, titled, I call it as the 11 clairs, right? So you have all these psychic abilities, because of the support of this gland to your body, to your psyche. So I hope, this helps all of you in some way. And if there are questions, please do comment under this video, or you can write an email, or you can send a, text message, or you can directly message me on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Suit yourself. Thank you so much, and all my love to you.